Thinking clearly is not just a skill, it's a superpower. Luckily, the Stoics have journeyed through the labyrinth of thoughts, distractions, and emotions to bring you 6 transformative lessons on how to think with crystal clarity. If you're tired of being lost in your own thoughts, of feeling overwhelmed by the noise of the world, then this is for you. If you're new here and you're ready to challenge the status quo of your mind, hit that notification bell and subscribe. Let's not just pass through life. Let's understand it, shape it, and thrive in it. Together, we'll embark on a journey to master the art of clear thinking. And for those who truly dare to transform their mindset, I challenge you. Watch till the very end. Prove to yourself that you're committed to clarity and growth. Do you accept? Now let's begin. 1. Embrace the power of stillness. It's easy to lose yourself in today's world of constant notifications, endless scrolling, and endless information. The first step to thinking clearly is to find stillness. This doesn't mean you need to meditate for hours or escape to a remote cabin. It simply means taking a moment to pause, breathe, and center yourself. In this stillness, you can begin to hear your own thoughts and distinguish them from the noise. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, once said, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." This is a reminder that amidst the chaos of the modern world, we have the power to find peace within ourselves. By regularly seeking moments of stillness, we can cultivate a clearer mind and a more focused perspective. For many of us, our days are filled with tasks, responsibilities, and distractions. But by setting aside just a few minutes each day to sit in silence, to reflect, or to simply be, we can start to see things more clearly. This practice isn't about escaping reality, but rather about grounding ourselves in it. Stillness is not inaction, it's a deliberate choice to pause and reflect. It's a powerful tool that can help us make better decisions, understand our emotions, and navigate the complexities of modern life. 2. Question your assumptions. We all carry with us a set of beliefs and assumptions about the world. These beliefs shape our thoughts, our actions, and our interactions. But to think clearly, we must be willing to question these assumptions. Just because a belief has been with us for a long time doesn't mean it's accurate or helpful. Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, wisely noted, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality." How often do our assumptions, born from fear or past experiences, cloud our judgment or distort our perspective? To think clearly, we must be willing to challenge our own beliefs. This means being open to new information, seeking out diverse perspectives, and being willing to change our minds. It's not about doubting everything, but rather about being curious and open-minded. It's easy to go along with what we've always believed or what everyone else believes, but true clarity comes from a willingness to see the world as it is, not as we assume it to be. By regularly questioning our assumptions, we can free ourselves from limiting beliefs and see the world with fresh eyes. 3. Focus on what you can control. The world is vast, complex, and often unpredictable. There are countless things outside of our control, but to think clearly, we must focus on what we can control: our actions, our reactions, and our attitude. Epictetus, a Stoic teacher, once remarked, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." This is a powerful reminder that while we can't control everything, we have agency over our own choices. In the modern world, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information, events, and challenges. But by narrowing our focus to what's within our control, we can find clarity and purpose. This doesn't mean ignoring the world around us, but rather recognizing where our energy is best spent. By focusing on our own actions and reactions, we can navigate the complexities of life with grace and intention. This practice helps us avoid the trap of feeling powerless or overwhelmed and allows us to move forward with purpose and clarity. 4. Seek simplicity. With so many options, choices, and information available, simplicity can help navigate a confusing world. To think clearly, we must learn to simplify our thoughts, our environment, and our decisions. If you've made it this far, you're truly different. Most people skim through information, but you're here, diving deep, seeking wisdom. Remember the words of the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Simplicity isn't about deprivation or minimalism. It's about removing the unnecessary, focusing on what truly matters, and finding clarity amidst the noise. In our modern age, we're often pulled in a million directions, but by seeking simplicity, we can find focus and clarity. Whether it's decluttering our physical space, streamlining our commitments, or focusing on our most important goals, simplicity can be a powerful tool for clear thinking. By regularly evaluating what's truly important and letting go of the rest, we can navigate life with greater ease and clarity. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. To think clearly, we must believe in our ability to grow, learn, and adapt. A growth mindset, as opposed to a fixed mindset, is the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. The Stoics believed in the power of continuous learning and self-improvement. As Seneca said, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." This timeless wisdom reminds us that life is a journey of growth and discovery. In the modern world, it's easy to feel stuck or limited by our circumstances, but with a growth mindset, we can see challenges as opportunities for growth, mistakes as lessons, and setbacks as chances to persevere. By cultivating a growth mindset, we can approach life with curiosity and resilience. This mindset empowers us to seek out new experiences, learn from our mistakes, and continuously strive for a better understanding of ourselves and the world around us. 6. Practice active listening. The art of listening is often overshadowed by the urge to speak. Yet, to think clearly, we must become adept at active listening. This means fully concentrating, understanding, and responding to what others are saying, rather than formulating our next statement or letting our minds wander. Marcus Aurelius once observed, "Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth." This Stoic insight underscores the importance of truly hearing others, recognizing that their perspectives offer a window into a different understanding of the world. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions, motivations, and intentions behind them. By giving our full attention to the speaker, we not only show respect, but also open ourselves to new insights and ideas. This practice challenges us to set aside our preconceptions and judgments, allowing for a richer understanding of the topic at hand. Moreover, active listening strengthens relationships, fosters trust, and promotes open dialogue. By truly hearing others, we position ourselves to think more clearly, make better decisions, and deepen our connections with those around us. It's a skill that requires patience and practice, but offers immeasurable rewards in clarity and understanding. Navigating the complexities of our modern world requires a clear mind and a grounded spirit. These Stoic lessons offer timeless wisdom, tailored for the challenges and distractions of today. By integrating these practices into our daily lives, we not only enhance our ability to think clearly, but also fortify our resilience against life's inevitable adversities. Before you go, take a moment to reflect. If this video resonated with you, if you felt a spark of inspiration or a newfound clarity, then show your support. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your engagement fuels this community and encourages the sharing of more transformative insights. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below. If you're at a loss for words, simply write, "I think clearly." Your insights, experiences, and reflections enrich this space, making it a beacon for all those seeking clarity in a world often clouded by chaos. To watch more Stoic wisdom videos, select one of the videos that will appear on your screen now. Remember, the journey to clear thinking is a collective endeavor.